Hello viewers, we're at Car Broker Spain this morning and we're going to be giving this little Mustang the ceramic treatment. So if you want to watch this video or you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and we'll get going. So I'm here with Mandy from Car Broker Spain and she's going to give us some information about this process. Okay, what are the benefits of this ceramic treatment?
The main benefits from ceramic treatment is that it gives UV protection and also is highly hydrophobic, so it helps to keep the car a lot cleaner with a lot less effort and protect the paintwork.
And what's the process for the treatment?
The process takes one full day and the majority of that is preparation. First of all we clean the car, then we go around and remove any minor scratches that we can using a very fine polishing compound. All of this is done by hand though to avoid swirl marks in the paintwork. Car's then cleaned again, checked over, and then the treatment's applied.
Okay, does it have a guarantee as well?
It does, yes. We have two different ceramic products. One gets a 5-year guarantee, and the very latest one, Diamond, which has a 10H hardness rating, that gets a 9-year guarantee.
And what's the sort of cost for this process?
Obviously it depends on the size of the vehicle, but the original ceramic starts from €395. And the new Diamond 10H, that starts from €695.
Okay, great. Thank you. Well, let's have a look at the process and see what goes on behind these doors. The ceramic coating works by filling in the paint pores, giving the paintwork a much smoother surface, which allows for easy cleaning and gives a much more brilliant shine. So before they get started, they've got to wash the car. And there's a problem they get, which they were telling me about, that when people wax their cars, it builds up in these little areas here like this, and people don't take it out. So in places like Spain, the polish stays in here and it boils in the sun and it becomes like calcium and it sticks in there. So they've got to get all this stuff out before they can start the treatment. Once the car has been fully cleaned, a cutting compound is then used to remove any light surface scratches, marks or scuffs from the paintwork. After the car has been completely polished, it's then time to apply the ceramic coating. The ceramic coating can also be applied to the windows, which makes it easier to keep them clean. Okay, so here are a couple of cars that they've already done. It's the Aston Martin Vantage and the Subaru. So have a look and see what the quality is like on it. As you can see, it makes the paintwork look like it's just been painted. It looks fresh, brand new. They also do the wheels as well, so the wheels come up really good.
We've had the pleasure of treating some really fantastic cars here. We get people bringing American muscle cars, classic historic cars, and even just ordinary everyday runners. People have picked up brand new from the dealer. They bring the car straight to us to be treated so that it's protected from day one.
So here we go, this is the final result. What do you think? Looks fantastic, doesn't it? guys at Jetwax have done a fantastic job on this car. It's gleaming, it is stunning. They've even cleaned the inside and given the dashboard a bit of a treatment as well, and it looks fantastic. So there we have it. That's the ceramic treatment on the Mustang. If you like it, I'll put a link in the description and you can click it and you can find out more how to get this on your own car. So if you like this video and you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.